My rod was just going off. Grayson, grab my rod! Grab the rod! Grab the rod, Grayson! Get it! Oh yeah! Get that one, reel it in, reel it in! Woo! Doubled up! Oh, it's a shark! It's a shark! Guys, welcome back to another backyard bag video. Today we're going camping, fishing, floundering. Target species are going to be obviously flounder. We're going for pompano, redfish, drum. If we catch trout, we catch trout. But yeah, I'll show you in just a second what we got. We're loaded down to the brim right here. We got firewood, camping supplies, all our fishing rods. Grayson, you ready? Give me some knuckles.
Boom, shakalaka.
Boom. What are you doing, Grayson? We're gonna start cast netting a little bit down these shorelines.
Can I go with you?
Yeah, right here in this little deep pocket. Oh, you need shallow. There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! 4 of them. You go do one more throw up in there.
Look what we got, guys. We got some mullet.
Here, let me show them how to do it.
Oh, Coco's gonna get it. Oh, what a pancake. Grayson, give me some knuckles, dude. Whoopsh. Whoopsh. What'd you get? Oh, we got one.
Little guy.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
Look, there's a little crab. Yeah.
He's gonna pinch you.
He doesn't pinch hard, the little ones.
There you go. Oh, show the camera. What you got? You got a crab? That's a nice crab. You gonna let him go? Good job. Yeah, I think we got enough, huh? Guys, we have made it to the island.
Right here.
We can. Look, there's Coco right there. Got a bunch of boats. It's Saturday, so it's packed. A couple days after Christmas. Come on, Bubba. We gotta go this way. We gotta meet Coco over here. So we can't go past that with the boat. So we're gonna have to park right here or over there and just drag our stuff all the way to the beach side. Supposedly the pompano are hitting on the beach right now, so we're gonna try and do that this evening, tonight. So we'll see what we can do. That's a sign we cannot pass that with the boat. No vessel, trap, structure, or other obstruction authorized beyond this point. So we cannot. So we're gonna have to park over here and anchor up on this little flat. Grayson, he's a water boy. If there's water, he's swimming. Boom. Anchor. Power pole in the back just for extra precaution. Now we're gonna start loading everything up and
Grayson going for a swim.
woo! Yeah, oh yeah. I'm glad I brought extra pair of clothes.
Not too bad.
No.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Listen to that water.
The camera. What you got?
What camera?
That's
I
awesome.
didn't do it at you.
No, don't throw it. Come on, keep it. Me and Coco got the tent built. We're gonna get sleeping bags, everything in here that's we don't want sandy. Close her up and we'll get back with you in just a minute. Hey, what's that? You wanna go look at that? Come on, let's go see what we got over there. Oh, that might be useful right here. Oh, that's some shrimp. That's a net. That's not bad. Piece of dead shrimp. Man of wars. Okay, guys, look. We just had a man of war wash up. This is a good life lesson for Grayson. He's never seen one before. Okay, Bubba, you see that? They're super cool, but those are super dangerous, okay? If you can tell, there's fish inside those tentacles.
Are they jellyfish?
That's a jellyfish, yeah. So you see the fish inside the tentacles right there? We're gonna have to get that away, but those are they will hurt you really bad. And sometimes those tentacles go 30 feet long. So we're gonna back up and Coco's gonna grab it with the shovel. You want me to? No, Coco. Coco, you got me.
I fish with the tall blue one.
Oh, you wanna fish with the blue rod and reel?
Yeah, with the red.
Okay.
And
What are you gonna catch?
monster
Shark?
redfish.
Monster redfish? That'd be cool, dude. All right, Cody, show the camera what you're doing.
Tying knot. Got a, what is it, a pompano rig?
Yep.
Just a little store-bought, pre-made, and just tie a little knot on here, and you're pretty much good to go. Throw a weight on the end, and
We use those spider weights so they can stick in the beach and not moving around everywhere. We're gonna get set up. What you got, Coco? What you got? Coco got a fish. We just cast it out probably 5 minutes ago.
hardhead.
Oh, is that a whiting? Oh, dude,
Yeah.
that's an eater right there.
Heck yeah.
Good job, Coco. On the fish bite
Look at that,
too.
Grayson.
You want to eat them up tonight?
Yeah.
All right. Oh.
I didn't do it.
Oh, you want to reel it in?
I didn't do it.
Reel it in, reel him in.
Real.
Oh, you got a good one. Yeah.
You got him, dude. Real.
Good job, Grayson.
Yeah.
Oh, come over here. Reel. Guys, we got him. We got him right here. Oh, it's a hardhead. He's on him.
Wow, I just got it's like I just that's the river.
Yeah.
But that one's smaller. But the one just down the river was bigger.
Really? Yeah, you did catch some big ones at the river, huh? We're gonna let this guy go. He's a,
No.
Bubba, he's a hardhead. We don't eat those. Well, hey, we have plenty of time to fish, okay?
That's a hard head.
Say bye-bye, fishy.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Touch the tail. There you go. All right, we'll let this guy go. Grayson caught that one. That was really cool. Oh, there he is. All right, let's get another one. So bad news. Coco had a family emergency, so we had to take him back to the dock real quick. So we're grabbing Mimi. Mimi is our savior. So she wants to go camping with us, so we're waiting on the dock to come pick her up, and then we'll be back here in just a minute. Catch any fish?
Wait a minute, I did.
Oh, happy camping.
Don't bring extra clothes.
Yeah.
This is heavy. Be careful. I'm gonna sling it. That's got like the food and stuff. This is just some sleeping for me.
Yeah, let's set this up front.
That got me on
Guys, we got the one and only Mimi. He needed a nap. We're back again. Still got daylight. Set the anchor, grab some more stuff. We're gonna go fishing. Come on. Just like that. That's probably the biggest weight I got. The smallest weight I got. So we're gonna see how good we're gonna cast this thing. I don't know, that should be good right there, I'm assuming. Oh. Well guys, that was it for that one. Darn it.
What?
Cut this guy up. Boom. Look at that. Get this set up on the rod and go out there. So we'll see. I know there's redfish in here, so see if we can get a couple. Be really good. So we got cut mullet. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna get this cast out real quick. That wasn't too bad. This one's getting bites too, good. You got a fish? Oh yeah, got a fish. Oh, we got a whiting. Reel it up, Bubba, get it. Nice, on the fish bite.
What is that?
That's a whiting. We're gonna eat that for dinner. Yeah.
Oh, see, we didn't need that.
Look at this, guys. We got a whiting. We're gonna eat that up tonight. Keep on reeling, Bubba, keep on reeling. Need some help? Let me see. Ready? Oh yeah. You see it, that line moving in the water? Oh, it's a hardhead. Boo. Hey, hold the rod. Hold the rod.
I didn't hold that hard head.
No, they have very sharp hooks.
Oh.
Boo.
Yeah.
Touch his tail. Watch this hook. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Since I snapped this rod, we're gonna get this one rigged up again. Put the weight in here. Not my go-to setup, but it's gonna see if it's gonna have to work. I don't know if this weight's gonna work with the waves, but we'll find out. If not, I can change to another weight. They're just so heavy for these bay rods. We're gonna try a fish bite and a shrimp on this one hook, so we're gonna see how it goes. Might be a little too much, but push that in right there. I'm gonna throw a shrimp on here. Boom, that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna see how this works. Oh yeah, that was a good catch. All right, we're gonna try that. Boom, that worked. Wanting a pompano. Be really cool. Oh, whiting will work, they're good eating. We need to deepen up. I don't know how to fish the pompano. I think I'm getting a bite on that one. Oh yeah, I'm getting a bite on that one. I think I got one, guys. Oh yeah, I got one. It might be a super small one. Oh, I'm getting bites on that one too. This is crazy. I might have to just fish with 2 rods. Bubba, I got another whiting.
I can still did it. Oh, look at that.
You got that? Let's see. That's a good one, dude. That's a good one, guys. Get the base going. We got Mimi digging. Come on.
What size hole do we need, sir?
Size hole, we just enough for a fire.
How deep?
I'm gonna let you make that call, bub.
All right.
I don't know.
On it.
Yeah, get
This
digging.
isn't my first rodeo.
Grayson, you having fun? Woohoo! All right, we'll go check the bait, see what we got. I think we got a fish. I think we got a fish. Oh, we got a fish. Here, you want to reel it in? I'll hold your knife. Keep on reeling. We're empty on this one. Another hardhead. That wouldn't be too good, huh? Bubba, look at that. We got 2 fish in one. Look at that, guys. How awesome is that? Be careful with this one, Bubba. I'm gonna get this one out first, okay? There we go. We're gonna let this guy go. Grayson, watch the hooks, okay? Put this one guy, this guy up. Boom. Get out of here. Ah, he's swimming this way. Awesome, Grayson. Good job, dude.
That's why I do the fish with my knife.
Boom. Knuckles, man.
Yeah, let's eat that one.
You wanna eat this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Put them in there for now.
Hey, baby.
Oh yeah. Thanks, hardhead. Throw this guy back. That was a tangled mess. I just got it fixed up. Boom. We got something floating over there. I don't know what it is. I'm sure it's gonna come to shore here in a minute. Looks like a big old piece of log or something. I don't know what that is. Just gonna bite. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, Grayson, I got one. You wanna reel it in? Here, Bubba, you wanna reel it in? Come on. Reel it in. You see that? I don't know what that is, guys. I think it's a piece of wood. Reel it in, Bubba. I'll hold this. There you go. Reel, reel, reel. Keep that line tight. Oh, yeah. What is it? It's a whiting. Nice job. That's a good one, guys. We got some good dinner coming up now, huh? All right, step back a little bit. I don't want you to get hooked. Look at that, Bubba. You can hold him? You got him? Show the camera. Woo! It's on my chest. Oh! All right, let's go. We're gonna get this fire going. Oh man, guys, I got a good fish right here. Grayson, there's a knife in there, Bubba, but you gotta be careful. Hey, reel in this big fish. Look, I got a big one. Oh yeah, he's taking drag, guys. You wanna reel it? It's a big one, Bubba. It's a monster. All right, you wanna watch? Oh, it's a redfish! Grayson, it's a redfish! Woo! Hold on, Bubba. Oh, look at that, guys! Woo! You wanna touch him? Dude, oh. That rod just went off. Hold on, Bubba. Hey, Mimi! Mimi! A redfish. Guys, 21. Oh yeah. That's good redfish right there. We're gonna get another bait out and get this fire going. I think this is what we're gonna have for dinner, huh? Okay. Mimi got this good fire going. Hey, good job, Mimi. Good job, Mimi. Give me some nugs.
So far.
Oh yeah. Looks like we're having redfish, huh?
Yeah, you need to go ahead and play that up.
Yeah. We're gonna use this as our filleting board. It's seen better days for sure. Get it, Grayson, get it, get it, get it. Oh, he's a good one. Mimi, help! I got this knife. It is, I think it is. It's pulling drag. Oh yeah. Might need to tighten that drag. Look at him running. Look at him running. It's a good one. I think so. He is pulling drag. Look at him. He is running, Grayson.
Oh, Grayson.
Dang. Oh, Grayson, grab your little knife. He is running. I can't stop him right now. No, that's a big red. That's a big redfish. Look at this monster red. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this fish. Look at this fish, Bubba. Here, Mama. Wait, hold that.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this, guys. Look at that, guys.
Let him be free.
All right.
Wow.
All right, take that off of him, Bubba.
So big.
Take that off of him, please.
That's
All right, you're gonna help me get him back in the water? Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. It's a giant. You gonna hold him? Okay, come on.
Heavy.
He is heavy. We're gonna. Come on. Come on. There he goes. Grayson, give me some knuckles, dude. Give me some knuckles. Boom, that was a good fish. Good job, Grayson. We're gonna eat this one. We're gonna fry them up and then have s'mores. Hey, back off a little bit. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? Look at this.
Dad, that's a cold knife.
That wasn't supposed to happen. All cleaned up, get all that blood off. Yeah. Yeah, it's about to get dark. We're gonna get this fire go down a little bit and we're gonna see what we can cook. I don't know if we're gonna fry it. I left all my stuff. We might just put some little bit of oil in there and throw some salt, pepper, garlic, and cook it like that. So, be good to go. We'll catch y'all in just a few. We're gonna do a little bit of oil in here. I forgot butter. So I'm gonna use. Oh, I mean that should be good. Look at that. Oh, redfish. We're gonna do it simple. Throw some pepper. We're gonna do some salt. Fire and get it. you some garlic salt.
That's for after it's done.
Try and probably put it right there. Let that burn a little bit. That handle is about to fall apart, but it is what it is. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Grayson, you ready? Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. Take this fish real quick. Guys, I think that is ready. It is blackened. But I think it's ready, guys. We're gonna get some plates and put it on a plate and come up. Alright, Grayson, you want to say a prayer or you want Daddy to? Okay. Lord, thank you for this food. Thank you for blessing this food, Lord. Lord, I pray that you watch over us and the family, keep us safe out here on these adventures, and bless this food for our bodies. In Jesus' name I pray, amen.
Amen.
Alright. Let's dig in.
I like the turkey breast.
A little burnt, but it's good.
Extra tart or something?
This one's extra crispy, guys.
You don't want to eat it? Okay, I'll eat it. Oh.
That's good.
Oh, yeah?
We finished it off. The tide's coming up a little bit. We're gonna go check on the boat, make sure that it didn't float off. It's not going to, but just to be on caution. It's already getting kind of late, so might go lay down, get ready for bed. We gotta wake up. We might fish for a little bit and get ready to go home. Grayson, what was your favorite part today? Oscar redfish. That was awesome. We got 4 or 5 whiting, redfish, 2 redfish, 1 keeper that we just ate on the fire, and 1 monster redfish. So guys, we'll get back with you in just a minute. It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna walk back to the boat just to triple check that it's secured up. Walking down here and I'm seeing a lot of these crabs going in these tiny little holes by the dunes. It's pretty neat. Oh, that's a fast little booger. Look at that big old crab. Hey dude. Hey dude. Ooh, what you got there? Boat's looking good. Anchor's dug in good. Oh yeah, I don't think it's gonna be moving. Alright guys, we're probably gonna hit the hay. We caught a lot of fish. Monster redfish. Got a couple of whiting. Got another keeper redfish we ate on the fire. Super good. We're stuffed. So yeah. Yo yeah. We're gonna go to bed. We gotta wake up in the morning. We're probably gonna do a little bit more fishing and packing up. What you think? Knuckles? Boom! Alright, say it. Backyard. Backyard, backyard out. Good morning, guys. Hey, good morning. Good morning, guys. It is about 6:30. Oh, we got some great sleep. Sandy. There's sand everywhere. I don't know how to get the sand out. But the sun's starting to rise a little bit. We're gonna start probably cooking breakfast and get a little bit of fishing done. Grayson.
Hey, do you want to go fishing and cook some breakfast?
I'll take that as a yes. Yeah. Oh man, look how beautiful that is. We found something that was washing up yesterday. It finally washed ashore. That's metal. It's a big metal something, Bubba. Let's go get our fishing stuff ready. See when we catch some fish, yeah?
Yeah.
Knuckles?
I think the monster.
You want to catch another monster redfish? Let's go try. Come on. We're just gonna get a chunk about there. Should be good. My rod was just going off. Grayson, grab my rod! Grab the rod! Grab the rod, Grayson! Grab the rod! Grab the rod! Reel it in, reel it in. Do you got him?
There's a big one.
Let me see.
I didn't know that was that.
I think we lost him. Grayson, I think we got him. Here, reel him up.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, we got him still. We got him. Reel him, reel him.
Yeah.
Good catch, dude. Nice hook set.
I didn't know that was on top.
Oh, I'm getting a bite on that one. Grab him. Grayson, grab that one. Grab that one. Get it, get it, get it. Oh yeah. Get that one. Reel it in, reel it in. Woo, doubled up.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we're doubled up, guys. Look at this. First thing in the morning on the sunrise. Dude, you're getting him. Get him, Bubba. I don't want to get tangled up, so I'm trying to drag him over here. Keep on reeling, buddy. Oh, that's a good redfish, guys. Woo! Grayson, keep on reeling. Guys, look at that. That's a slot redfish right there. Perfect, man. Keep on reeling, Bubba. Keep on reeling. We're gonna go measure this guy real quick. Oh, I have one in my backpack actually.
Where's 20?
28's right here.
So it's under 28, huh?
Yeah. We got a 27-inch redfish, Bubba.
Yeah. Let's eat that thing.
Guys, look at that. It's awesome. Let's go put them in the ice chest and keep on fishing. Grayson, give me some knuckles. You set the hook, you grabbed it out of the rod holder, and you caught this fish. That's awesome, dude. First cast, 27-inch redfish. First thing in the morning. Grayson grabbed that rod, set the hook, started reeling. Like, wow. Proud dad moment right there. Oh yeah! Oh, he's a good one! He's a good one. Hey, come over here. Oh, we lost him, Bubba. We lost him. It's okay. Let's get another bait on there and recast it, right? Well, whatever that was, it straightened the hook out. That's no good. Yeah. So we're down with one hook. Hooked him!
It's taking it.
Let it take it.
It's taking it. It said bye-bye.
Is it dragging? Let me see.
It is going. Don't let it.
No,
Let it go.
that drag good. Oh my goodness, guys.
It's going to spoil you.
No, it's not. Grayson, you want to help me?
Yeah!
Okay.
We have your sandwich. We have your sandwich. Go get it.
This is a big fish, dude. Here, I'm gonna have to help you reel. Oh, guys, I'm gonna have to help you reel. Ready? Go. You wanna help? You wanna watch? It might be a shark. It might be a shark. Or it might be a bull red, we don't know. Oh man, this was crazy.
That one was big, right?
Yeah.
This was going.
I told you, once you see that rod go down, that's when you know you got a good one. Oh, I see it.
There, huh?
Oh no, I think I lost it. I think I lost it. Yeah, I lost it. Guys, what a heartbreak. Oh, what a heartbreak. We got re-rigged. I think it was a shark. This line is super frayed right here at the end. Looked like a clean cut. Man, I just saw it too. We almost had it. We'll get this one though. Boom. Grayson got one.
Got it.
Keep on reeling, Bubba. Keep on reeling.
I think someone got on it while he was reeling it in.
Really?
Keep reeling.
Oh yeah.
Reeling.
Oh, there he is right there. Oh, that's a redfish. Woo, that's a keeper redfish, Grayson. Give me some knuckles.
Way to go. He was just reeling it in.
Boom.
Check the line and he's like, I got something, Mimi. He said.
Look at this. That's a keeper redfish right there.
All right.
Oh, Grayson, grab the rod, grab the rod, grab the rod.
Okay, go. Reel him in, reel him in.
Look at that, guys. That's a good slot redfish right there. Oh, he swallowed that thing though. That's all right.
Baby, how many can you get?
Let's see what you got. Let's see what he got. Oh, it's a big hardhead.
We don't want the hard.
All right, let me get these off. All right, let's see if we can get it out here. Boom. That was crazy. We got 2 redfish. Honestly, we might skip breakfast. We have a bunch of snacks. We'll give Grayson and keep fishing until we go home. I think that's a plan for sure. She got one? Yeah, my Mimi just got one. Hey, you gotta flip that reel upside down, bud. We don't fish like that around here.
We're not left-handed over here.
Hey, you gotta figure it out.
Felt like a giant red. It was like a stubborn hardhead.
Yeah, it might be a keeper redfish. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Oh, it's a shark. It's a shark. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this guy.
Oh my gosh.
Grayson, be careful, Bubba. Look, it has something on his.
They tried to bite you. Grayson, don't get too close there. Watch out.
Look at that, Bubba. I don't know what these are called, but they stick to the they stick to the fish. Let me get these out of here real quick.
Oh, the sucker fish attached.
No, we're not.
You want to touch his tail?
Touch his tail. We're not doing that.
Watch the hook, Bubba. Look, touch the tail. That's cool, huh?
Wow.
Touch the tail? That's awesome.
There we go. I got some.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna let him go. That's awesome. Woo! Grayson, good job. All right, guys, we got another shark. We're gonna get some lines set out. See if we can catch another one. Oh, man. Oh, it's crazy.
Miss me, now you gotta kiss me.
I forgot to hit record, but Mimi got a fish on. That's okay, Bubba. Hey, go help Mimi. Keep the line tight, Bubba. There you go.
Feeling.
If you need a break, let us know.
Maybe you can go for a bit.
Keep on reeling, keep on reeling. You're doing a good job. It might be a red. Oh, it's a redfish. He just spit the hook. He just spit the hook right there. Keep a redfish.
I should have reeled it in myself. Should have reeled it in myself.
Darn it! Guys, I got a good one. I wish I got it on video. He is pulling drag right now. Hopefully it's not a shark. Feels like a shark. Hopefully it don't bust me off. Yeah, he's head shaking. I think it's a shark. He's head shaking real good. Reel. Oh, let him run. All right, reel. There you go. You want to keep tight line on it. There you go. Keep reeling. Guys, I think it's a good shark. Oh man, he is running. He still has fight in him. I'm trying to get him in the waves right here. I think it's a big red. I think so. A redfish. Look at that! Woohoo! Dude! Look at that fish.
I think that's too big to eat.
Oh yeah, he's way too
We'll
big.
have to send him back
Oh.
because he's a big grandpa fish.
Guys, look at this monster fish. He's a giant. get him back in the water. Woo. Come on, baby girl. There he goes. Woo! Woo! Big redfish. Let's get some
Right in
nucks.
the sunlight, we can't
Get
see.
some nucks. Get some nucks. Big redfish, huh? Oh yeah.
We can.
Got a good one, guys. Hopefully we can keep them on. Oh, he's swimming towards me, guys. Woo! He didn't like that. Oh yeah. Hopefully it's a good redfish. I don't know. I'm hoping it's a good redfish. This guy don't want to let up. He's pulling drag like crazy. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. He's almost to the shore. Almost to the shore. I see him a little bit. It might be a oversized. Amy, grab this
Yeah.
and kind of just make sure it's tight. All right, guys, we got another redfish on here. Let him run if he wants to run. It's another big redfish. He's gonna be too big. Oh yeah. Come on, get that wave in there. Woo!
Take a picture with Daddy, the monster man.
Monster redfish. Here,
His head.
Grayson, take a picture. Oh, oh, there we go.
1, 2,
Grayson, say cheese.
Outdoor boys, go!
We're gonna let him go. Come on. There we go. Woo! Woo! What you doing, Bubba?
Said we're burying seaweed.
Oh, burying seaweed. Awesome. Sure.
Alright, we're just covering up.
Grab a bunch of seaweed and burying it.
Oh, do we need more seaweed?
Oh, what's up, Stagley? What you doing? You having fun, Bubba? The red fishing been slow, and I got no more mullet. The rest of it's at the boats, but we're about done anyway. So we're gonna switch our tactics and see if we can catch some more whiting before we leave. Let Grayson play for a little bit more in the water and pack up and head on. But we'll see if we can catch some whiting or something in the second gut.
Oh, it's so cold on my feet.
Oh, I think we got one. Oh yeah. If it's a hard head, we might call it a day. If it's a whiting, we'll go for one more. Looks like a hard head. No! Another hard head. It looks like we're going home. Hi guys. We're starting to pack up. Later in the day, the bites were slow. So, yeah, I think we ended up with 2 oversized redfish. We lost a bunch, snapped our lines a lot. 2 keepers, a couple of whiting, and a good time. Grayson, did you have a good time? Oh yeah, he's snacking. He's been snacking all morning. Mimi, you have a good time?
Oh yeah.
How was the tent?
Oh, it's great. It was perfect.
You slept good?
I did.
Oh, good.
The weather was great.
Get everything packed up. We'll probably have 2 or 3 more trips to get to the boat, get everything loaded up. And yeah, it was amazing. Caught a shark. It was just a really good time. Y'all stay tuned. Yeah, one more load, guys. She's having a blast. I'm glad we got to bring her. Grayson, go, go, go! Got all this stuff. This is gonna be our last trip till we get to the boat. It's gonna be nice. Grayson, you helping? Oh,
It's got walking.
yeah. You got some walking sticks? Awesome, guys. We're almost to the boat. Mimi is dying. I'm glad I took her, huh? I would have been pulling this thing by myself. That's what Mimis are for, huh? About to be out of the boat. This will be our last set of stuff. And then we head to the dock. Show y'all some fish here in a minute. It's gonna be nice. We are loaded down. Everything's loaded down. We got a big haul. Grayson, did you have a good time? Yeah. Mimi, you have a good time? Oh yeah. This is what we ended up with. 2 redfish. Whiting. Let's see, 4 whiting and 2 redfish. And we cooked 1 redfish yesterday. What a trip. That was an awesome trip. Hey, did you have a good time, Bubba? Yes. All right. We're gonna head out. We'll meet you at the dock.
Are we recording?
Oh yeah.
There we go.
We wore them out today. Guys, we have made it back to the dock safely. While child Grayson is still sleeping. We didn't run into any issues. Maybe a couple, but we figured it out. And now we're here. Get on that 3rd one right there. Boom, look at that. Power pole down. Hey, look at that. successful trip. We got the boat loaded down, about to clean it up. It is a mess, but hey, that's all right, as long as we had some good memories. We caught a bunch of bull reds, caught some whiting, some sharks, some keeper reds. I mean, you can't ask for anything better. I mean, spending time with kids and family is the best. Be that as it may, sunburnt. We caught some hardheads. We had Coco leave. He had some family emergencies he had to take care of. Picked up Mimi on the way. And yeah, I mean, we made it an awesome trip. Grayson had fun. He had a blast. He loved it out there, swimming, playing in the mud. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'm gonna wash the boat, get everything cleaned up, and we'll catch you on the next one, huh? Backyard Bagley's out.